Today I'm going to show you how to make Hoisin sausage rolls. You will need 320 grams of puff pastry, 350 grams of sausage meat, or I have used 6 sausages, 3 tablespoons of hoisin sauce, 1 teaspoon of garlic granules, 1 egg, and 1 teaspoon of black sesame seeds. Firstly, you want to put your sausage meat into a bowl. If you are using sausages, you just want to cut the casings off and put the sausage meat in the bowl. Then add your garlic granules and just give it a really good mix until it's all well combined. Then you want to roll out your puff pastry. I have bought pre-rolled puff pastry, but if you just buy a block of puff pastry, just put some flour on your work surface and roll it out until it's quite thin. And then you want to cut your rectangle in half so you have 2 thin rectangles. And then to the middle of your thin rectangles, you just want to add your hoisin sauce and just spread this so then it is evenly coating the middle of each of the rectangles. You want to leave some space though on the sides without sauce on. This is going to be where we fold over the sausage rolls. Then add your sausage meat on top of the hoisin sauce, just in the middle of the pastry. And then having pre-beaten the egg, you just want to egg wash one of the sides where you haven't put any sauce or sausage meat. Then fold the pastry over, encasing the sausage meat. And just press down along the sides. Then just using a fork, just press that along the sides. Not only does it make it look nice, it helps seal the edges of the pastry to keep it closed when baking. Then cut your sausage rolls to the size that you want. I've gone for large bite size, but if you wanted to have like normal size sausage rolls, you can cut them longer, you can cut them shorter. Then arrange on a pre-lined baking tray, and then using the remaining egg, just egg wash the top of each sausage roll. And then just sprinkle the sesame seeds on top. Then bake in a preheated oven at gas mark 6, 200 degrees centigrade or 170 fan assisted for 30 to 35 minutes. And there you have it. That is how you make hoisin sausage rolls.